Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut. First, select a firm head of cabbage and remove any outer damaged leaves. Shred the cabbage thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick, and place it in a large bowl. Add 2% of the cabbage's weight in non-iodized salt. Massage the salt into the cabbage until it releases a good amount of brine, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Once the cabbage is sufficiently brined, pack it very tightly into a clean fermentation jar. Ensure all the shredded cabbage is fully submerged under its own liquid. Use a fermentation weight or a small, clean jar filled with water to keep the cabbage pressed down. This prevents mold and ensures proper anaerobic fermentation. Seal the jar with an airlock or a lid that allows gases to escape. Place your jar in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Fermentation usually takes 3 to 4 weeks, but you can let it go longer for a more intense flavor. Check it periodically, ensuring the cabbage remains submerged. You might see some bubbles, which is a good sign of active fermentation. Once it reaches your preferred taste, move it to cold storage. Your homemade sauerkraut is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to smaller jars and store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. It's a fantastic addition to many meals, offering a tangy, probiotic boost. Try it with sausages, on sandwiches, or as a vibrant side dish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.